the Western and Eastern perspective of self. So, typically, the self is defined by Western ideas as a unique being that is distinct from others. This idea, on the other hand, is rooted in notions of individualism, personal identity, and the separation of self from the external world, which means the Western concept of self often prioritizes individual rights, freedoms, and achievements. Eastern ideologies or oriented philosophy suggest that the self is an illusion and that we are all interconnected. They emphasize the interconnectedness of all things, suggesting that we are part of a whole. The similarities is that the basic objective of the Eastern and Western perspective of self is that they both seek wisdom and truth.
Buddhism is one of the world's largest religions and originated 2,500 years ago in India. Buddhists believe in the incarnation of the soul and that by the following the teaching of Buddha or Dharma, people can reach an enlightenment state called nirvana and stop the cycle of reincarnation.
Hinduism, one of the oldest religions, offers a path for personal growth through its spiritual teachings. Its core principles such as dharma and karma guide individuals in living ethically and responsibly, shaping their future through mindful action. Central belief in Hinduism is the Atman, or true self, which reflects the divine essence within. By focusing on self-awareness and inner reflection, individuals can develop a deeper understanding of themselves and purpose in life. Confucianism started with a wise teacher named Confucius, who lived in ancient China. He taught people how to be kind, honest, and respectful. He believed that everyone has the potential to be good and that we should all work together to create a peaceful and just society. Confucianism is a way of life that emphasizes good behavior, respect for others, and a harmonious society. It's like a set of rules for how to live well, but it's not a religion without God. It's more like philosophy about how to be a good person and create a good world.
Taoism is an ancient tradition of Chinese philosophy that emphasizes harmony with the nature and the universe. It focuses on the concept of Tao, which is the natural way of cosmic order and is regarded as the nature that is the foundation of all that exists. According to Taoism, there should be unity and harmony among the opposing elements, yin and yang, in which yin is the feminine and yang is the masculine. One of the key benefits of Taoism is its emphasis on letting go. It encourages individuals to embrace the natural flow of life and avoid clinging to desires or expectations. The concept of the self is seen as an illusion. This belief is rooted in the idea that the self is impermanent and constantly changing. By understanding this, individuals can let go of attachment to the ego and choose happiness. This shift in perspective allows individuals to focus on the present moment and live more mindfully, leading to a greater sense of peace and contentment.
Through practices like meditation, devotion, and selfless service, Hinduism encourages personal development and spiritual fulfillment. This leads to greater mindfulness, inner peace, and a harmonious connection with the universe and others. For its importance and benefits for the development of the self, Confucianism encourages individuals to strive for personal growth and development. Also, Confucianism emphasizes the importance of social harmony and respect for others. Additionally, Confucianism teaches you how to be a better person. It emphasizes developing good character traits and becoming a more virtuous individual.
Taoism also teaches the importance of simplicity. It encourages individuals to live a minimalist life, focusing on essential needs and reducing distractions. This can lead to greater clarity, peace, and fulfillment. Another important aspect of Taoism is emphasis on spontaneity. It encourages individuals to trust their intuition and act naturally. Also, Taoism emphasizes the importance of compassion and humility. By cultivating these qualities, individuals can develop stronger relationships, contribute to their communities, and live more meaningful lives.